The Alberta Teachers Association is before the Court of the King's Bench for an injunction hearing. Now, this is the next step in its constitutional challenge of Bill 2, which the province passed back in October to end the province-wide teacher strike and send educators back to work. Now, the ATA says the goal of this injunction is to temporarily suspend Bill 2, and if the ATA were to win, it would mean that things would be reset to how they were before the legislation came into effect. That means both bargaining and striking would be back on the table.
Teachers very much feel demoralized by the fact that this government took their charter rights away. What steps they'll want to take if we win this injunction in terms of further job action to make sure that we are meeting the needs of our students will be up to the membership when we get to that point.
The ATA is making the case that the government acted illegally and did not properly invoke the notwithstanding clause. Now, this injunction comes before a constitutional hearing, which is scheduled for the end of September. And one labor expert says this process is pretty standard.
In many ways, it's a no-lose situation for the ATA, because if they get the injunction, then the apple cart gets turned over, and that'll be interesting times. But if not, then what we've been seeing for the last 3 months continues. Until we get to the actual hearing on the substance of their claim.
This injunction will continue into Thursday, and that's when the Crown is expected to make its case, and a decision on this injunction is expected by the middle of March. Sarah Reed, CBC News, Edmonton.